Oh, we got police already. Did she call?
What do you want to show me? I try to do my report.
Yeah.
No worries, no worries. Okay, all right, as long as everything's okay. Hey guys, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Good. You know, just real quick, you know, you're allowed to do this as long as you don't behind the counters for us.
Yeah, we don't get behind the counters and try to do their jobs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just you can't go behind the counters, but you have the
That's
right
funny,
to be
huh?
in here. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Thanks.
Oh, what was your name and badge number?
Yeah.
Hi.
Sorry to
What the hell?
interrupt
She
you. but
didn't identify.
Boris, I'm Garcia.
You're Garcia? What's your badge number, sir?
333.
What was her? Forrest, you said?
Boris with a B?
Boris.
Yeah.
Rights are meant to
Hi guys, how you doing?
Why are you saying I have to use my rights for? If I'm gonna use my
That's
rights,
kind of
I'll
funny,
use my
huh?
rights.
She just walked away.
Good, use your rights, but don't force me to take my rights. Why are you
Oh.
forcing me? Next time, don't engage with me. That's all
You
you
guys
have
might
to do,
want
man.
to educate the
Hey, why
man.
did you have to come
I
here?
won't bother you.
You bothered me.
Because-
You're creating a disturbance
I
right
don't
now,
know,
sir.
Boris?
I am because
You might want to
guys are
de-escalate.
disturbed.
Yeah.
You can de-escalate the situation. It might help
Yeah,
a little bit. Garcia, you said? You can educate him and where we can do it before the public.
They have their First Amendment right.
That's good. Boris is doing her job.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you
officer.
so much. That, I appreciate that. What was your badge number? Can I get that? Can I get that?
285.
Thank you so much. Thank you for doing your job, Boris.
Thank you.
Can we get your name and badge number, officer? Yeah, Garcia 333. Remember?
Yeah.
She's mom was nice. You kids are serious.
Alrighty, have a good rest of the day.
We will.
Thank you.
Somebody did.